Hey everyone, it's Donna, and we have an Adore Me fashion lingerie unboxing, and I love these boxes. So I unwrapped everything, so it'll make it quick. There will be no try-on. Sorry if there's anybody creepy out there, but I asked mainly for their loungewear, and I wanted to take a look and see what they sent, and I'm really kind of excited about it all. So let's take a look and see what they sent. And I still haven't got some things matched up yet, but I unboxed it. The first thing they sent was this. It was kind of a grayish, mauvish type of periwinkle type of sports bra. Kind of cute. And then they sent me this dress, and I wanted this dress so badly. And there's a reason. Just your basic little dress. You know, you can throw a little jean jacket over it or whatever, or just wear it. But look at this at the bottom. There are cinch strings. So you can wear this at the knee, or you can pull it up and adjust it for ruching along the sides. And you can wear it shorter, any length that you wish to wear this at. This is a dress that can be worn probably a bunch of different ways. And another cool thing about this dress is it has, check this out, a shelf bra inside. So there's no bra needed. You just pop this baby on and you can go to the grocery store, you can go to a concert, just dress it up and down, any which way you want. Then for some reason they sent me two pairs, not one, but two pairs of these panties. Okay, not sure why, but they did. They sent me this black bra, and it's a basic black bra with underwire and contouring, just a light contouring on it. And it's a nice bra. I'll probably keep it just for a basic bra. Maybe they thought I should match it with one of those. And then they sent me this, and it's kind of in it's a green, and dark greens I look pretty in, so I am kind of curious to try it on. But it has a matching set, and you know, when we go shopping, and every woman knows this because we've all had it happen, you go into a lingerie store to buy something like this, and you can find the bra, or you can find the panties in your size, but you can't find them both in your size. And with this, it comes, you get exactly the right size. So I like that. I might keep that. Then we come to this, and I thought this was kind of unusual. Check out the front of this little top. Isn't that cute? And then it has a matching, and this would be great loungewear for around the house, the matching little pants. Okay, isn't that cute? It's kind of a dark periwinkle look to it. And then we have, let's go to the next, some more of these pants, but it's in a blue with a cuff at the bottom. It's just a slip-on pant. There is no drawstring to it. But they're cute, they're lightweight, they're stretchy, comfy, comfy. I love comfy. And then we have the top that goes with it. And it is kind of cool because on both sides, look at that, it cinches on both sides. And the back is a razor back. So anyway, that's my box for this month from Adore Me. So I'll have another box coming, and I'll do a try on later. I'll see what I like. I'll send back what I don't like. And please subscribe, because if you'll see behind me, I just took out all of these items out of a wardrobe bag that Front Door Fashion sent to me. And even though you see the dress behind it, she put some really cute things in that box for me. So I'll be really curious. I'm going to do a video on it right now and see what she sent to me. So everybody, please subscribe, and please hit like, and keep watching my videos, please, and watch my old ones. I've got a lot of them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.